Hello friends, welcome to Woodworking Zone. Today is the day of the 13th Evergreen Woodworking Topics Series. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of upcycling and repurposing wood. If you're passionate about DIY projects and eco-friendly living, this video is just for you. Let's get started. Segment 1, Introduction to Upcycling and Repurposing. So, what exactly is upcycling? Upcycling is all about taking something old or unused and transforming it into something new and valuable. When it comes to wood, this means giving discarded or leftover wood a new lease on life. It's an excellent way to reduce waste and create unique, custom pieces for your home.
Segment 2, Sourcing wood for projects. First things first, where can you find wood to repurpose? Here are some great sources. Old pallets. These are often discarded by businesses and can be a treasure trove of good wood. Old furniture. Don't throw away that broken chair. It might have perfectly usable wood. Construction sites. Ask for leftover scrap wood or offcuts. Thrift stores and flea markets. Sometimes you can find wooden items that are just waiting for a makeover. Always make sure to ask for permission if you're taking wood from a business or construction site. Segment 3, Preparing the wood. Once you've sourced your wood, it's important to prepare it properly. Here's a step-by-step guide. Clean the wood. Remove any nails, screws, and other fasteners. Give the wood a good scrub to get rid of dirt and grime. Sand the surface. Use sandpaper or a sander to smooth out the wood. This helps to remove any rough edges and prepares the surface for painting or staining. Inspect for damage. Check for cracks, splits, or rot. You can often cut around damaged areas and still have plenty of usable wood.
Segment 4, Project Ideas and Tutorials. Now for the fun part. Creating something new. Here are a few project ideas to get you started. Planter boxes, perfect for adding a touch of greenery to your space. Picture frames, customize your home decor with handcrafted frames. Shelves, build sturdy, stylish shelves for any room. The possibilities are endless when you get creative with upcycling. Segment 5, Finishing Touches and Tips. After assembling your project, it's time to add the finishing touches. Stain or paint. Choose a finish that matches your style. Staining can highlight the wood grain, while paint can add a pop of color. Seal and protect. Use a clear coat or sealant to protect your project from wear and tear. Personalize. Add your own creative touches, like stenciling or decorative hardware. Remember, the goal is to make something that's uniquely yours.
Upcycling and repurposing wood not only helps the environment but also allows you to create one-of-a-kind pieces for your home. I hope these ideas inspire you to start your own projects. In this video we told you upcycling and repurposing wood for eco-friendly projects. We hope you liked this video. And in the next video of this series, we will learn building custom cabinets and shelves, design and construction tips. Thanks till then. Subscribe or follow Woodworking Zone to learn about woodworking.